Jayson Waller here, CEO and founder of POWERHOME Solar. First off, I just want to say thank you for allowing us into your home. We do not take that invitation lightly. We have the absolute best field energy consultants, and I trust that each one of them will make your experience exceptional. You've probably seen the commercials, but we're not going to take it anymore, and neither should you. It's time to own your power. Now, we could not be more excited that you're considering joining the thousands of Americans becoming part of a solar energy movement. Before we get into the details, I just want to tell you a little bit about us. We're an American company that uses American-made products. Our panels are designed and manufactured to offer you a sleek, all-black design that provides the highest level of efficiency. They're built to withstand strong winds, extreme temperatures, and snowstorms. We have a strong drive to make sure that each job is completed properly the first time. Unlike many of our competitors, we do not hire subcontractors. We employ the best, and we do it all: sell, finance, design, permit pulling, and installation right here at POWERHOME Solar. Now, I want you to feel great about your decision to go solar. We want our customers to save money and support a cleaner tomorrow and never be without power again. Let's get started. I'm going to take you through the 13-step process that you can expect now that you've decided to own your power. We strive to make this as easy and painless for you as possible. Step 1. One of our field energy consultants will walk around the house with you and your family and envision the solar panels on your home. They're going to take pictures of your rafters and your power panel and see how everything can connect to each other. Then what we'll do is we'll review your energy bills to see what your usage patterns are. This is important because not everyone uses the same amount of power. We want to customize and fit this to your home and your needs. Once we've determined that your home is a good fit, we'll qualify you and get you started on the road to energy independence. This is a no money down, nothing out of pocket experience for you and your family. Now, I wish we can get that solar system in tomorrow, but like building a pool, it can take some time. In fact, in some cases, it can take up to 90 days. But rest assured, there's nothing else you need to do. We take care of everything. Your payments usually start 60 days after install, and depending on inspections and your utility company, that means you may start paying for the system before it's operational. Step 2 is assigning you a personal customer concierge to assist you through the entire process. You'll receive their contact information via email and a call from them to introduce themselves. You can lean on the concierge every step of the way, any questions or any concerns. Step 3, it's all about our design team. They're going to develop a professional design for you and your home, and that will be sent to you for approval. This is a cool process, but we do need you to approve that. Step 4 is obtaining a structural letter. Pretty simple, but after design, we got to get that letter to apply for a permit. Step 5 is our HOA department. If you have a homeowners association, just get us the information. We'll work with them to get you and your solar approved. Step 6 is interconnection. We have to interconnect with your power company, but that's all done on our end. You don't need to do anything except sign your interconnection agreement and try to make sure you give that field energy consultant a copy of your insurance. Step 7 is permitting. This is where it can get a little tricky on how soon we can get that done. Each jurisdiction's completely different, so approval can vary amongst customers. But once that's done, we can move on to the next step. Step 8 is the scheduling department. Our team will reach out after obtaining the permit and get you scheduled within a few weeks. Step 9 is our purchase order team, the warehouse team. They pull all the equipment materials needed for your custom design and send it out with the installers for the installation. Step 10 is our install team. This usually takes about a day or two. Once completed, they're going to put a sign in your yard followed by a bunch of high fives. Now listen, we're excited at this point, and we know you are too. but there's still a few steps to complete with your utility company before everything's up and running and that meter's going the other way. Step 11 is the inspection. This can sometimes take as long as the permitting, depending on the jurisdiction, and may require for you to be home on the day of inspection. Step 12 is the meter swap. Scheduling this will involve an additional waiting period. Step 13 is PTO, permission to operate. We get that from your utility company. Once that's done, you get the green light and your customer concierge will walk you through how everything works. The PTO usually comes a week or two after the installation is complete. Now, all 13 steps are finished. That's it. It's time to save big and go green with POWERHOME Solar. Thank you for allowing us into your home, and remember, it's time to own your power. Stop renting your power. Bam!